there they are. Two of them. Looking like they know each other pretty well, huh? Yeah, their mom dropped them off here. Hi. Oh, aren't they good? Now we gotta see which one is used to being pet. I think the one at the food bowl. It's probably the one I've been handling a little bit more. Another one still a little nervous. A little bit nervous, huh? There you are. There you are, see? Oh, see? Two little piggies at the bowl. Where are you going? Now don't get all nervous on me. Where are you going? Come on back. Come on back. What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Come on back. Oh, nervous, huh? He's going to take the tunnel route. Okay, well, two of you. Oh my goodness, your mom dropped you off here to live. Living in my studio, huh? Are you living in my studio? Oopsie, he's going behind the couch. That's where they were having a little powwow yesterday. Living in my studio, huh? Eating cat food. Life is good. Right? Yeah, I wonder what you guys do all day. You must sleep. Yeah, 'cause you're awake all night. Your antics. Aren't you? Yeah. Well, we wonder what your little sibling is doing behind the couch. Having a good time, huh? Yeah? When are you gonna let me pick you up? I'm going to let me pick you up. Maybe. I'm gonna pick you up while you're little and cute. Yeah, you gonna let me pick you up? Maybe, huh? I don't know, you look pretty busy like you're eating. You're a little bit busy with your chow there. Boy, they eat a lot. Still pretty bony. It's just amazing that the cats just don't even give them a second look. It's quite funny. I mean, they could take out a little critter this size with no problem. I mean, I've seen them come home with baby squirrels and, you know, birds that are way bigger and stronger than this. So I guess they just figure they're part of the family. Okay, where are you going? Where are you gonna go? Yeah, you're gonna go out and eat, huh? Okay, how about some pets? Want a little pet? Smell my fingers. Smell it. See, it smells okay, doesn't it? See? Oh, come on over here. Come over here. Almost. I almost picked him up. There he goes. I'll be able to do it soon. They'll get used to it. Oh, yes, Christine's School of Animal Charm.